All right, guys, today we're going to talk about some tools that you should probably keep in your truck so you guys can try to make those repairs and save some money. Most common thing you should always have, it doesn't have to be big set, right? But you should have some sockets, some ratchets, right? So you can knock out a few basic things on your truck, like removing a light or taking a sensor out, removing an exhaust clamp. All these things you guys can do with some hand basic tools. Next thing you need to get right would be my wrenches, right? Now you don't have to have all these wrenches, but you can have a basic set of wrenches, right? Anything from 5/16 all the way up to an inch is pretty common, as well as a 10 millimeter up to a 19 millimeter. Now the next thing you should also have, right, are your crescent wrench. So if you don't have the proper size wrench to do it, at least you have an adjustable to get to the ones that you definitely need to do. All right, and then the next thing, which I have over here, is you should always have a flathead screwdriver as well as a Phillips. So most of those things help, especially when you're doing, tighten up your worm clamps from leaks or even air escaping. Those things you need to have. The other fun thing would be is a hammer. Hammers multi-use for everything. Loosen up those brakes when they stick to the drum, as well as, when you're using those pins to release on your trailer. So make sure you guys have a hammer. A test light, which I'm using on another truck, you guys should definitely use it because that will help you find any power issues like on your fuses as well as your 12-volt ports. So these are some of the most common tools that you should keep in your toolbox. And then always, without a doubt, keep a knife, which I keep on myself. And that's for cutting hoses, electrical tape. A knife does come handy. It's a pretty multi-use tool. So those are the most common things I would definitely keep in your truck. All right, guys, so these are the most common tools that I think you should have in your truck. Now, if you saw something that I may have missed and you want to ask me a question about a certain tool, guys, don't forget to leave that comment at the bottom. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I want some content coming your way.